देख नहीं पाएंगे शायद।
हाँ सर।
सर मेरा नाम आलोक है।
हाँ जी, आप कहाँ हैं?
सर मैं मतलब कैमरे के पीछे हूँ तो दिख नहीं पाऊंगा आपको।
अच्छा अच्छा, बोल पूछिए।
सर सवाल ये है कि रजनी सर को सभी सुपरस्टार मानते हैं और इस सुपरस्टार के साथ आपने काम किया है, तो आपने ऐसी क्या खूबियां देखी रजनी सर के भीतर एक सुपरस्टार की?
सर मेरे हिसाब से रजनी साहब सुपरस्टार नहीं हैं। मेरे हिसाब से रजनी साहब पूरे गैलेक्सी हैं। मैं इनका बहुत बड़ा फैन हूँ, और इफ एनीबडी हु इज गॉट in this industry swag, and that has always been him. How to wear the glasses, चाहे वो सिगरेट हो, चाहे वो कोट पहनना हो, चाहे वो कोट उड़ाना हो, हर किस्म की चीज़ें, मतलब ऐसा कोई भी नौजवान नहीं है जो इनके तौर तरीके सीखना नहीं चाहता, बताना नहीं चाहता। और एक कमाल का मुझे किस्सा याद है। मुझे एक याद है कि इनकी एक फिल्म रिलीज हुई थी। फिल्म का नाम था बाबा, और वो फिल्म थोड़ी चली नहीं थी। और मुझे अभी भी याद है, मैंने पढ़ा था कि इन्होंने सारे डिस्ट्रीब्यूटरों को बुला के उनके पैसे वापस किए। एंड आई थिंक दैट इज द बिगेस्ट साइन of being a big, very big superstar. I can never forget that. I have kept always in my head. So, thank you.
रजनी सर कोई ईद पे आता है, कोई दिवाली पे आता है, कोई क्रिसमस पे आता है, लेकिन पिछले दिनों एक खबर आई थी कि आपकी फिल्म जब रिलीज होती है तो उस दिन त्योहार बन जाता है। इस कॉम्प्लीमेंट को कैसे लेते हैं रजनी सर?
The day you come, sir, it becomes a festival on its own. It doesn't matter whether it's Eid or Diwali.
By God's grace, my fans, they make great. Thank you.
Shankar sir, over here straight. Next year there are many big films releasing, but two of the most awaited films are Robot 2 and Bahubali 2, and both belong to the South industry. So how does it feel that two films from that industry are taking India to the global level?
Yeah, I am eagerly waiting to see Bahubali 2. And say audience, for audience, they need more films, more than Bahubali 2, more than 2.0. Like every month, if they get this kind of film, it will be a celebration for the audience.
And so, the Bahubali was distributed in Hindi by Karan Johar. So who has come on board to distribute Robot, the Hindi version of Robot? Is it?
Yeah, that's, we have to ask the producer, with whom he had
I've reached this stage for a reason, na? That is stage 1. My 2.0 will be that if I manage to again present the film in Hindi. That is my 2.0 version.
Good evening, everybody. My question here is to Rajni sir. Sir, modlo solno trailer rombave super. Whenever you play a villainous role, we all love you because when you're good, you're very good, but when you're bad, you're better. Do you like playing Chitti too? Do you have fun doing that?
Actually, in this picture, I'm villain only. But always, actually, I would like to do a villain characters. And in this picture, you will see that, the real villain. Thank you.
Sir, the action in this film looks spectacular. Did you have fun doing it? Was it difficult? How was the experience of doing it?
No, difficult hours, actually, I told you, he's a difficult director. But I enjoyed because this subject is very unique. And I want to tell you, this is not only a prestigious picture for Subhash Karan, producer, or Shankar, or the unit. It is a prestigious picture, the whole Indian cinema. Wow. And I'm telling you, despite of our technical excellence and the financial, strength, we could not reach the Hollywood standard yet. But I'm telling confidently, openly, this picture will reach that Hollywood level. Every Indian, our Indian film fraternity will be proud of. Thank you.
Wonderful.
Rajni sir, you know, your superstardom spans decades. Do you, from Indian film industry like Bollywood, who do you think will enjoy the superstardom that you have down in India, like everywhere in India? I know you will take Akshay Kumar's name.
I couldn't understand. What is saying?
Who else enjoys your level of stardom in Hindi
Who
cinema?
will enjoy?
Apart, who will enjoy?
At your age, maybe. At your age,
At
who
your
do you
age,
think
who
will still enjoy?
At your age, who will enjoy? And he says, not Akshay Kumar, because you know, he knows that you will say Akshay Kumar because he's sitting next to you. They said, I didn't
No
say.
comments. Thank you.
One more question, sir. Salman sir just said, narrated an incident about you and him. You shared screen space with Shah Rukh sir in a small sequence in Ravan. You're doing an entire film with Akshay sir. When can we see you and Salman sir together? Or do you plan to do one film?
Salman.
I would, even tomorrow, if Salman says yes, I am ready.
Lovely.
It will be my prestigious.
We're going to take one last question, ladies and gentlemen.
Shankar sir, yeah, straight.
But anyway, I mean, the
So
direction.
there is a lot of excitement about the second installment of Robot, but people always plan the franchise. They always think of taking the franchise ahead. Do you plan to come up with a third installment of Robot?
Yeah, of course, because it's a very interesting science fiction genre. Definitely, I believe something will come up in my mind for the 3.0 and 4.0 and 5.0.
And it goes on and on. Thank you so much. Thank you. And those are all the questions we will take now, ladies and gentlemen. I'd like to thank these wonderful gentlemen for their time, their energy, and more than anything else, their abundant talent that we're going to experience on Diwali with 2.0. This has truly been a spectacular evening. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. And I would now... And while we bid these wonderful gentlemen goodbye, I'd like to invite on stage finally Mr. Raju Mahalingam for our vote of thanks.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen.